She told me not to step on the cracks. I told her not to fuss and relax. Well, pretty little thing stopped me in my tracks. But now she sleeps with one eye open. That's the price she'll pay. I took a knife and cut out her eye. I took it home and watched it wither and die. Well, she's lucky that I didn't slip a smile. That's why she sleeps with one eye open. But that's the price she'll pay. I said, hey, girl with one eye, get your filthy fingers